Distant healing is a form of therapy that has been practiced across various cultures and religions for centuries. Yet, is frequently met with skepticism due to its metaphysical aspects. I admit I was very skeptical of healing energy being real over long distances, until I experienced it. All the cool gadgets we have like phones, internet and cable TV work by using invisible energy waves that we can see. It's the same for the electricity in our homes and radios. For them to function properly, they need to be set at a specific energy level. They also come with controls that allow us to switch them on or off, or use them differently. When these technologies were first introduced, people found it hard to believe that they could actually work. Reiki works similarly. The Reiki energy needs to be adjusted or tuned to match the person receiving it. Once it's set right, it moves naturally, just like phone or Wi-Fi signals. And it doesn't matter how far apart you are. Distance doesn't affect it, just like with internet or phone connection. The energy that's always around us transports these energies to the right person. In Reiki, the healer is like a pipeline, helping to direct this energy. It might seem odd to think of our feelings, intentions, and thoughts as forms of energy too. But if you ever noticed how different emotions create different physical feelings inside you, it's easier to understand. If we think a bit deeper, we can see how our thoughts influence our emotions. From there, it's not a big jump to see how our thoughts and feelings can influence how we see the world, and even how others react to us. These are all different ways we can influence our surroundings. After all, it's all energy. But what does science have to say about it? In this video, I aim to demystify distant healing from a scientific perspective. Distant healing is founded on the belief that practitioners can channel healing energy towards an individual, irrespective of their geographical location. This might sound like a concept from a science fiction novel, but scientific principles can shed light on how it might work. In the realm of physics, quantum field theory provides a fascinating viewpoint. It suggests that at the most fundamental level, everything in the universe, including us, is made up of fields of energy. These fields, constantly interacting, form the basis of our reality. This theory propounds that consciousness could potentially influence these fields. In other words, our thoughts and intentions may have the capability to alter reality at a quantum level. This concept forms the basis for the practice of distant healing. Scientifically, the role of intentions has been explored extensively. A famous example is Dr. Masaru Emoto's water experiment, where he demonstrated that positive or negative intention could change the structure of water crystals. In distant healing, practitioners channel their healing intention towards the recipient. If human consciousness can influence physical matter, as Emoto's experiment suggests, it provides a plausible basis for distant healing. It's essential to understand a key player in the distant healing process, the biofields. Biofields, as recognized by the National Institute of Health, encompass the energy fields that surround and permeate our bodies. Imagine them as invisible fields of energy that help maintain and control our body's homeostasis, the vital balance necessary for health and well-being. These energy fields are said to interact continuously with the cells, tissues, and organs within our bodies, playing a significant role in our overall health. In fact, therapies like acupuncture and Reiki have long utilized this concept, aiming to balance the body's energy fields to promote healing. Studies show that these biofields can be influenced by other fields, including those of a distant healer. While this is still a growing area of research, preliminary findings indicate that distant healers may influence the recipient's biofield, thereby facilitating healing. Several studies have shown promising results in distant healing, including effects on stress reduction, wound healing, and plant growth. One of the challenges is measuring something that, according to quantum field theory, operates at a level beyond our current scientific instrumentation. However, the evidence so far supports the view that we are more connected at a quantum level than we might think. While the concept of distant healing may be hard to grasp with our current scientific understanding, elements of quantum physics and consciousness research provide compelling insights. We have much to learn about the intricate ways in which consciousness and quantum world interact, and distant healing might just be one piece of this cosmic puzzle. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe and like my videos so more people can benefit from them. Thank you for watching, and I send you my best blessing and gratitude. You are beautiful, man.